Well, good morning and welcome to Around the World in 274 Days. We're in Giverny, France, and we're going to the home of the famous painter Claude Monet. We are now entering Monet's garden, so this should be interesting. Claude Monet was a French painter who was born in November of 1840. He was the founder of Impressionism. During his long career, he was the most consistent and prolific practitioner of Impressionism, philosophy of expressing one's perception of nature, especially applied to outdoor landscape painting. Monet lived in Giverny, France, where he painted for 43 years. He was inspired by his gardens that he planted and spent years transforming them and planting thousands of flowers. He believed it was important to surround himself with nature and paint the outdoors. Attached are some of the photos I took of the beautiful flowers in his garden, along with the paintings he did of the same garden area. I hope you enjoy it. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Around the World in 274 Days. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.